Welcome to GK at Amosri.
When the postal index number PIN was first introduced in India? A. 1947, B. 1952, C. 1972, D. 1956. C. 1972. What is the animal on the insignia of the RBI? A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Elephant, D. Panther. B. Tiger. What is the nickname of the Indian cricket team? A. The Blues, B. The Men in Blue, C. The Kangaroos, D. The Black Caps. B. The Men in Blue. When was Make in India launched by Government of India? A. 26th January 2014, B. 28th July 2014, C. 25th September 2014, D. 20th August 2014. C. 25th September 2014. Which organization prepared the topographical map of India? A. Geological Survey of India, B. Survey of India, C. National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, D. Archaeological Survey of India. B. Survey of India. The first railway line of India was operationalized in 1853 between A. Howrah to Delhi, B. Bombay to Thane, C. Delhi to Chennai, D. Punjab to Delhi. B. Bombay to Thane. In India, the first television program was broadcasted in A. 1959, B. 1980, C. 1960, D. 1979. A. 1959. What is the name of the world's first Hindi-speaking robot? A. Geeta, B. Rashmi, C. Arjun, D. Raj. B. Rashmi. Swachh Bharat Mission Rural Program comes under which ministry? A. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. D. Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. In Indian Employment Statistics Survey are collected by A. National Sample Survey Organization, B. Annual Survey of Industries, C. Central Statistical Organization, D. Center of Monitoring Indian Economy. A. National Sample Survey Organization. In which Veda details about music is mentioned? A. Atharva Veda, B. Rig Veda, C. Yajurveda, D. Samaveda. D. Samaveda. Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize in 1913 for which book? A. Gitanjali, B. Balak, C. Manasi, D. Gitimalia. A. Gitanjali. Which port is called Queen of Arabian Sea? A. Pondicherry, B. Kochi, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. B. Kochi. Which was the first granite temple was built in India? A. Tirupati Temple, B. Somnath Temple, C. Sabarimala Temple, D. Brihadishwara Temple. D. Brihadishwara Temple. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? A. Nanda Devi National Park, B. Chim Corbett National Park, C. Gir National Park, D. Kaziranga National Park. National Park. What was the code name of the first nuclear test conducted by India on 18th May 1974 in Pokhran at Rajasthan? A. Operation Smiling Buddha. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Ashwamedh. D. Operation Shakti. A. Operation Smiling Buddha. Which agreement is signed at the end of India-Pakistan War of 1972? A. Delhi Declaration. B. Tashkent Declaration. C. Simla Agreement. D. None of these. C. Simla Agreement. Who wrote Arthasastra? A. Kautilya. B. Aryabhatta. C. Kalidasa. D. Mahadevans. A. Kautilya. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? A. Article 19 to 22. B. Article 14 to 18. C. Article 25 to 28. D. Article 23 to 24. B. Article 14 to 18. Who has power to declare a financial emergency of India? A. Governor of Reserve Bank of India. B. President of India. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Prime Minister of India. B. President of India. Video for last answer was Egypt. The video is available on iPod. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort of India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box.
Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.